Meet Sparkles.
Sparkles, our cat.
Sparkles is the mother of all cats.
Yes. But then her husband is gone. Oh, girl, there's her husband.
Meet Garfield.
The husband of the
Garfield happens to be daddy cat. Right now, he's there enjoying the sun. Don't disturb Garfield. He's enjoying the sun.
Milky.
Cookies is a bit skittish. Not at all. It's not scared.
And that's Milky.
Then that's Milky. Milky is a combination
Of Daddy and Mama.
Sparkles and Garfield. Huh? Yeah. So meet our 4 big cats.
Then we have kittens at the cat
We have
side.
kittens.
The
They're
baby.
still hiding. I don't know where they are.
I know where they
And
are.
we have a puppy. Where is the puppy? There he is.
Gucci. And his name is Gucci.
Gucci.
We named him Gucci, but he's not used to
Gucci.
it. Gucci.
Chess.
Gucci. Gucci. And that's Chase.
Chess.
Chase is the most mature one here.
So Chase is a German Shepherd. Chess.
And that's Gucci.
And Gucci. Gucci is a bubble.
Has a new best friend.
Ooh, these guys are actually playing with each other.
As you can see, we have many.
You guys, you don't have shoes.
We're gonna go get them.
We're going to get your shoes. Okay. So these are the pets we have here. Hey, Chess. Leave Gucci alone. Yeah, he's gained weight. Chess. Huh?
Daddy, can I show you the kittens?
You got them?
Yeah, I found them. Okay. So this is Gucci. Gucci does not like. Hey!
Was in the
No, it's...
Which is fed you.
Chess, leave Gucci alone.
This is my favorite puppy. Hey! Matua.
Gucci.
It's kind of messed up there, but she gave birth to the kittens in a pipe.
What?
Yeah. And there's poo-poo inside the pipe.
Hey!
Make sure to cover that.
Where are your shoes?
So,
Seriously?
so the kittens do not have names yet. The kittens don't have names yet. Poisoned.
Move. So that was the meeting. There was a cat meeting happening here. Everyone was in attendance, including
Milky Way.
Milky Way. I'm not sure what was resolved in the meeting, but I'm sure they were discussing the new kittens, which I can't show you. They are hidden behind some pipes. I can't really show you where they are exactly, but I think they were having a meeting about those kittens,
What the names will be?
how they are harassing the big cats. And this is Mommy here.
Mommy Sparkles.
Mommy was defending the kittens, saying, no, remember you are all my kids. You are equal to me. No kitten is better than the other. You are just my kids, all of you.
That's what she was saying.
And the dad was saying,
Hey!
we are taking daddy kitten and you are blocking. Are you daddy kitten? You should be daddy kitten, I think. But this is daddy cat. And these are the teenagers. They were 5, these teenagers.
They're jealous. I saw them trying to bite their sibling.
This tree happens to be the crash post.
We should probably buy them one. Only. Don't pick Milky Way meat.
It will scratch you.
Milky Way is very, very harsh. So if you play with her, just know you're dead meat.
It will scratch you. If you fight, it will fight back.
They have weird personality. Gucci's a good boy.
Yes, let Gucci get up. Let's see. So this is Gucci.
Gucci's the new member of the family.
Yeah, Gucci.
He's kind of getting.
I'm not sure who is new, Gucci or the other kittens.
The same day Gucci came is the same day the kittens were born.
Okay.
So kittens and Gucci are new.
But it means Gucci is older.
Yeah. So the kittens are actually the new one.
Okay.
Polo, polo, polo.
Yeah, this is a bob. Very soon it will be a very big dog. You can look at the paws. You can see how big it is. Why are you running away, Gucci?
He's shy. Shut up, me. Huh? You should move, doggy.
Are you done playing?
No.
No, I mean.
Subscribe for Gucci. Subscribe for the Gucci, please. It's cute. It's a good breed. He likes tummy bobs. Tummy bobs are his favorite. And he loves pop. With milk. And he has a big tummy. Big.
What should I help you with?
Book.
Why are you taking them?
Book.
Where are you taking those?
Book.
Why should I help you with that?